This is Mike Ludes at Capital Eurocars, Capital Porsche in Tallahassee. And if you've already done the PCM reset, now I'm going to show you how to pair your phone again. So you're just going to press the phone button here, press Find Telephone. On your phone, if you have an iPhone, you'll go Bluetooth, and you just wait a moment. It's pretty similar if you have Android. Go to your settings, Bluetooth, and you just kind of wait. Sometimes it shows up right away, sometimes it doesn't show up for 20-30 seconds. Now ideally you want to click it on your PCM first. All right, if you press it on your phone before it shows up on PCM, you'll have issues. So wait till it shows up on PCM, press it on PCM, and then you'll follow the instructions to pair on your phone afterwards. So again, press PCM first and then press it on your phone. If you press it on your phone when it first shows up, you are likely to have issues with it.